What's going on, everyone? Got a 2016 Kia Forte. I'm gonna check the cabin filter on this guy today. So one thing you gotta do is lower this glove box door. Some of these cars, this one is missing the damper that goes here. All you gotta do when there's a damper here is just pop it off this little clip here. Yeah, this one's missing it. So next step is to take these stoppers, go counterclockwise, and they just come right out, okay? Counterclockwise, they come right out. Glove box are lower down. Yeah, I don't know where the damper went. It's not there anymore. It's lost. So anyways, these clips here, we squeeze them. This will open the door for us, both sides. And then we can take the filter right out. Alright, this one is super bad. Super duper bad, alright? If you need one, check down the description box. I have a part number and a link. So check that out, yeah.